Start by cutting off the top of the pomelo, just enough to expose the thick rind. Next, use your knife to score the skin from top to bottom, making several shallow cuts around the fruit. It's better to only cut through the thick white rind, not the fruit itself. Now gently pull the thick peel away with your hands. Pomelo skin is quite thick, so it should come off easily in large pieces. Once peeled, you will see the segments covered in a white membrane. This part tastes bitter, so it's best to remove it. Break the fruit apart and carefully peel away the membranes from each segment. Pomelo is packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system and keep your skin healthy. It's also high in fiber for better digestion, low in calories for weight management, and full of antioxidants that support heart health. We can also use the tip of the knife to gently lift and remove the membranes in the middle of each segment. Fun fact, the pomelo is actually an ancestor fruit. It's one of the original species used to crossbreed the modern red fruit. And that's it. Sweet, refreshing pomelo ready to enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more simple kitchen tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.